Shiba Inu coin carriers, which are, I have a video that you can watch. Since the new year has begun, the cryptocurrency season has begun to heat up. Either we are about to witness a tremendously significant move to the upside, or it is currently the appropriate time to sell. The CryptoPort is pleased to see you back. I'm Black C, and I'm going to make a video for you guys today. I'm going to talk about Shiba Inus, and I'm going to talk about where I think this market is going to head. I do believe that things are starting to get hot inside here. To subscribe to the channel, you should click the like button. Come with me to watch this video. To begin, let's take a look at the Shiba Inu chart right now. And we are able to see that this particular trend line has been established. We are in a good position and have it grasped. In this moment, we are simply bouncing off of it and getting ready to go on to the positive. At this moment, we are witnessing a commendable upswing across the board, across the entirety of the Bitcoin asset class. Nevertheless, what is the appropriate time to rejoice, or when should we exercise caution? I am going to share my viewpoint with you all right now. However, I do believe that regardless of what is going to take place, there is a possibility that the current moment is an excellent time to purchase that dip. During the entire Queen season, I believe that everything is getting ready to become utterly crazy. However, if you are in agreement with that and you are interested in purchasing that dip, then you should look at the description box or the pinned comment that is located underneath. By registering with BlowFrom, you will receive a sign-up bonus of $5,000, in addition to a discount of 10% on all trading expenses for the duration of your account. There are no other exchanges that provide this service. It is highly recommended that you sign up for this right now because I do not know when this link is going to become invalid. Check it out right now, and then let's get down to the nitty-gritty of Shiba Inu and where we actually want to go from here. Right now, we are experiencing a little bit of respite after weeks of unusual price activity that occurred during the Christmas season. Now that people are returning to their computers, we are beginning to see some price action develop here. As a result, we are looking at Shiba Inu rank 16, which has decreased by around 3.5% over the course of the last 7 days and increased by approximately 3% over the course of the last 24 hours, with a market cap of approximately $12.86 billion. I believe that the all-time high for our market cap during this cycle was approximately $16 billion. However, the volume has decreased by 393 million. Prepare yourself to witness that increase in the very near future, as I believe that we are on the verge of witnessing some significant shifts in the market. In the event that you follow me at 3 o'clock, I propose that you should join Stage Right, Black C on Twitter, because this is the third and last year of the bull market. Over the course of the last few days, I have been discussing the new yearly candle closure in the videos that I have distributed. In addition, if you take a look at the years that have come before, you will notice that we often have 3 bullish years followed by a bearish year, and then 3 bullish years succeeded by a negative year. And well, gentlemen, for the second time in this bullish year, we have just finished closing our candle. Consequently, I believe that the year 2025 will be a somewhat bullish one. It is similar to a sale that lasts for an entire year, as you can see. After then, you will experience recovery, and the subsequent phase will be the first phase of the bull. Following that, the third phase is typically the altcoin season for guys. Bitcoin is currently trading for $94,800 when you take into consideration the entire market at this moment. It's beginning to look like things are getting a little bit better here. While Ethereum is currently trading at approximately 3,400, the supremacy of Bitcoin is the topic that we should be discussing, men. I've noticed that some people have commented and said things like, Black C, you dedicated 50% of the video to discussing Bitcoin. We were under the impression that this was a video of a Shiba Inu, and I was under the impression that it was a video of Pepe at this very moment. Guys, the fact that we are looking at Bitcoin from the perspective of Bitcoin dominance is of the utmost importance. Paying attention to this is something that you really must do if you are a Shiba Inu bull. Should you fail to do so, you will be apprehended. Either you are going to sell in a panic, or you are going to get caught carrying that bag and if you hold it for too long, you are going to get completely and utterly destroyed. We need to be talking about Bitcoin supremacy and Bitcoin if you want to be successful throughout this market, folks, if you want to make it out alive. Okay, so let's get started. Therefore, Bitcoin's dominance, which is 56.33%, is basically at 58.33% when stablecoins are excluded. As you are aware, Bitcoin is currently at a very important and vital juncture, which I've been discussing for some time. We have some signs on the daily that are indicating that, well, we ought to be seeing a little bit of a bottom, and we are seeing a buy signal on market crypto. It is not visible to you. I'll move that over for you people at this moment. On the market cipher, you notice a small green dot that indicates a purchase indication. However, gentlemen, we are not quite out of the woods at this point. In order for me to say that we are getting ready for a major altcoin season right now, then we really need to be closing above $88,000 to $85,000 on a daily, weekly, and monthly timescale. All right, if we are able to break below those levels, which are between $88,000 and $85,000, then I will say that it is possible that the altcoin season will continue to extend farther down the road, perhaps into the fourth quarter of 2025, or it may not begin to happen until the end of the first quarter of 2025. On the other hand, we are currently waiting for Bitcoin to make a choice, and as a result, we are seeing a slight oscillation at the moment. When you consider the domination of Bitcoin, we are investigating a level that is of the utmost significance. We tested the top of the rising wedge that I have been discussing on the channel for some time now, and it is currently falling down. Additionally, we are testing a level that is really significant, which is 57.26%. All right, we want to completely collapse. We are going to come and test